Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can add layer text animation in CapCut PC. So just going to library and then just select this black background template and then going to text and add the text for I think this clip and then just change the text for instance. So resize and go to animation and then go to loop animation and here's layer animation. Just click. You can also just for the speed like so here we go. Okay, it's very simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.